It's like portrait, okay? So it's about makeup because the way of lighting is for makeup, jewelry, costumes, but about face and upside body. Okay, so don't go back, don't come too much closer. Try to be act with your face and your hand on your body. Like imagine it's a portrait of your face. Okay, and I'm gonna take last test because it's so important. Exactly. So don't turn hand. I need both of your hands like this. All the time try to look at me. Great. Only look at me. Look at me. I mean, first only look at me. Play with your hair, with your costume. I mean, act in your face. I need both hands. Yeah, good. Exactly. Like closing hand to your face, to your Great. Even you can sit like this, I mean like a queen, like more confident. Good. And make your leg like balance. Good. Change. Hand, not too much. Breathe. Good. Yeah, it's okay. Then you can play with your hair, hand to your face. Yeah. Good. Okay, yeah. Your crown like this. Good. Only face to me. Be more. Yeah, exactly. Good. Okay, now I want to bring this box more close and sit like leg.
Like this, like close?
Yeah, like bring your leg up. Yeah, like hand, one leg can be a little, but always you have to sit. You can one leg here, like the leg to your face. Keep the light. Yeah, exactly. And change. Good. It's amazing. It can be like this. Look at it. Good. Play with your hair. Bring front instead of back. Yeah. And also, don't open your hand too much. Bring it front and like to yourself, like here, you know. Yeah. Good. Now you can sit like. Ready? Good. That leg can go on the box. Yeah, exactly. The other was good. The others. But wait. What happened? Good. You can put both leg and hug. And sit a little that side. Okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. Face a little. Good. Great. Perfect. Amazing. Yeah. Come closer to your knee. No. Leg, arc, and come closer to you. Face up and close your eyes. That side, please. Face to your right. Leg can be like this instead of this. Like. Good. One more. Good. Exactly. Good. The other leg, turn it and bring it on the box. Yeah. Yeah, good. Look at me. But in the center. Look at me. Look, face. Exactly. You can bring it up that way. No, same pose. Yeah. Come closer to your leg. Good. Come to me. Good. Face up, close your eyes. Exactly. Face up. Good. Nice. Okay. Same time. Hold it. Just come to me more. Good. Good. Leg up. Hold it. Good. Okay. Now let's make it nude. I mean, hold the crown, everything except.
Okay. Without this and brown.
Yeah.
Only crown.
Yeah, only crown.